2022 just got even crazier, part 39. Alright, firstly, scientists have just found a hole in the ozone layer that's 7 times bigger than the last one discovered. You may ask, how could we be affected by this? Well, this could put billions at risk of skin cancer. Next, the delivery service DoorDash had a glitch in their system this week and it allowed customers to order free food. But I think people took this a little too far because look how many orders McDonald's had to take in the receipt of some people who did this glitch. Now, the Georgia Guidestone is a monument that showed how to rebuild society after a post-apocalypse in 8 different languages. However, somebody has just blown them up and many people believe this is a warning. What do you all think? Finally, a man in California was attacked by a shark that made him lose 30 pints of blood. And scientists believe due to the bite mark, it could be the largest great white shark, deep blue. I've officially unlocked a new fear.